Hi, welcome back to the channel and thanks for clicking on this video. This is part 2 of the video I started on tips to improve your PC performance if your PC is running slow. Let's get started. Number 1. Try moving files to an external drive. Attach a removable drive to your PC. Select File Explorer. Find the file you want to move. Right-click on the file and select the Cut option. Then select Removable Media from the location list and select Paste. And then restart to see if performance has improved. How about disabling unnecessary startup programs? Startup programs are programs that start up and run automatically in the background even without you knowing when you turn on your PC. It's very helpful for programs that you use a lot, but not for programs that you don't use often. From your start bar, go to Settings, Apps, Startup. Find the program you want to stop from starting automatically and set it off. And then restart to see if performance has improved. How about clearing your browser cache? Your browser history is not just the list of sites that you have visited. It includes your personal information, your password, site cookies, and saved data. You can delete cookies every time you close your browser. From your browser, click Settings and More, Settings, Privacy Search and Services. Under Clear Browsing Data, select Choose what to clear every time you close the browser. Turn on Cookies and Other Site Data toggle. Once you turn on this feature, every time you close your browser, all cookies and other site data are deleted. And then restart to see if performance has improved. I want to take a pause here and ask you, if you have not subscribed to the channel, to please encourage the channel and subscribe to the channel. Please, can you just do us that favor by clicking on the subscribe button? Thank you. How about pausing your OneDrive syncing? If you turn on your OneDrive syncing, files must be synced between your PC and OneDrive. And this also can slow down your PC performance. You can pause OneDrive syncing temporarily and then see if performance has improved. On the notification area on the taskbar, click on OneDrive icon, Help and Settings, Pause syncing, and then choose how long you want to pause your syncing. The last but not the least, you can scan for and remove virus and malware. From your Start button, click on Settings, Privacy and Security, Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Scan option and Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan, and then Scan Now. To view your scan results, go back to Virus and Threat Protection and then Protection History. Okay guys, I've come to the end of this video and I hope your PC performance improved greatly. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!